everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jessica and today I have my August update for the Pan Interrupted. This is a supernatural project pan that I'm doing with my bestie Amanda, and I do know that Simone and a few other people have joined in, and you're always welcome to join in any of the projects that we do, so feel free. The idea of this is we are panning a product for every single episode of Supernatural that has ever aired or ever will air. And that's pretty much it. We are doing 6 at a time, and once we finish something, we roll a new product in for the next episode. So I've got an empty, and I'm happy I get to roll something new in for a change. This is for Night Shifter. This is the Algenist Recharging Night Pressed Serum. I used it as a very light moisturizer at night. I liked it, but I don't think it was like super special, so it's not something I would repurchase. And yeah, it was good. If you're into Algenist, you probably would like it, but yeah, I'm not going to rebuy it. So let me show you what I still have in, because I got stuff, and one of the products I haven't even used, which is wrong. I really should be using it. This first one I have used, this is for No Exit. It's where they find ectoplasm, which is a gelatinous goo left over from like ghosts or spirits or whatever. So I have this Pantene gel. This is the Classic Total Control Gel. I was at this line last time. I am now down here at this line. Not amazing usage, but I did use it, so, you know, hooray me. The next one is one that I did not use. This is for the Croatoan, and this is where Sam has a vision of Dean killing a man that has a scar on his head. So I have this stretch mark and scar rejuvenating cream. It helps to diminish the appearance of scars and stretch marks, and it's by Revitagen. And yeah, I was here last time and I haven't used it at all, which is wrong. I really should use that because I had 3 kids, 3 really large kids. I've got stretch marks. I need to hide those if I can. Heal them. Anything I can do to make those stretch marks go away. All right, moving on to the next one. It is Born Under a Bad Sign, and in that, Sam has a blackout, so I went with the blackout theme and took it literally and went with a black product. It looks like a mess right now. This is the Beauty Blender soap for like your makeup sponges, and this was 17 grams when I brought it in. It is currently at 15 grams, so I am definitely using it, but you know, it takes a while. Next is Tall Tales, another one I haven't used, and this is where a trickster makes the impossible things possible. And I have an eye primer. This is the Urban Decay Anti-Aging Primer Potion Foil. I haven't touched it yet because I'm working on a different eye primer at the moment, but I chose that because it is not possible to keep eyeshadow on my eyes unless I have primer, so it makes my eyeshadows possible. Just go with it. The next one I've used quite a bit of, and this is for Roadkill. And in that they have a highway ghost that seeks revenge. I played off of the ghosts. The ghosts are generally white-ish, so I chose a white packaging. And this is the Neutralyze toner pads for acne-prone skin, which I do have even at my age. These are wonderful. I really like these a whole lot. When I brought this in, it was 197 grams. It is currently at 180 grams. And I will pop the top if you want to see how much is missing. I do not use these every single day because I don't need them every day. But when I start feeling like I'm going to have a breakout or I have a breakout, I use them. And they really work for me. And that's my crazy kids out there watching Godzilla. Whenever they watch something like that, they like to act things out and they get a little bit crazy. I don't know where they get the crazy from though. All right, moving on to what I'm bringing in. The next episode is Heart. I took that literally, and so I chose something in the Too Faced Chocolate BonBons palette because it's got that whole heart theme going on. I'm going to try not to blind you, and it will be upside down. I'm going to be working on this shade right here called Sprinkles. As you can see, it has pan in it, so my goal is going to be to finish that eyeshadow. Yes, I'm bringing another eyeshadow in. But, you know, it's got pan on it, so we're just, no pressure. Even if it takes me a year to use that eyeshadow, it's okay because there's no deadline on this project, and that's why I love it. This is what Amanda and I are calling our forever projects, and you may notice that we like to do year-long projects. Like the majority of our projects are year-long projects. It gives us more leeway, more time, and we do these forever projects like this Pan Interrupted. I almost said Sam Interrupted. That's what the episode was. Pan Interrupted for Supernatural. We have Single Ladies and My Man Matte. That is a smallish collab. And those are our lower pressure forever projects because, I mean, I love my seasonal projects, but they're very time demanding. And if I put a product in for a 3-month project, I have to use that and only that for 3 months. And so I kind of like the leeway of being able to spread things out over time, and I can mix and match and play and have a good old sweet time with whatever products I'm working on. So little backstory there of why we're doing projects like this and Single Ladies. And we may or may not be having another project coming up later in the year that is a forever long-term project. So either be on the lookout for that or not. I can't give you any more information right now, but yeah, we got another one coming up soon, but it's going to be low key, sort of. I'll explain when it comes up. All right, I'm rambling now because that's what I do best, especially when my kids are all excitable. It gets me excitable too. I am going to have Amanda's information down in the description box. I'm also going to have her gorgeous face at the end of my video, so you can just click right on her little circle there and go straight to her channel. Check out what she's been doing lately. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until I see you in my next video, have a beautiful day.